Hello to everyone. So today we are going to study about the basic of Korean language. There are alphabets, and in alphabets there are consonants and vowels. So in Korean language there are total of 19 consonants and 21 vowels. So out of these 19 consonants there are 14 basic consonants. As you can see on in the picture, these 14 consonants are the basic 14 consonants, or we can call it a single consonants, whereas the other 5 consonants are 5 double consonants which are formed by 2 single consonants. So today we are going to study about the sounds of these 14 basic consonants. And one very important thing about the Korean basic studies is we cannot form a syllable without a help of vowels. A consonant alone cannot form a sound or a proper sound or a syllable. We have to have a vowels along with the consonant to produce a sound or a syllable, to form a syllable. So consonants do have a sound, but these sounds are very low. So today we are going to study about the sounds. So the first consonant of Korean is g. G. So you have to hold your uh, voice back. You cannot pronounce it as ka. If you say ka, then that is wrong at this point of time. So later when you combine this consonant g with vowels, then in that case you may have a different types of sound. You may have a sound ka, you may have a sound ko, you may have a sound ku. But at this point of time, you cannot say ka. It's k. The sound of a should be shortened.
네,
So the second consonant is n, similar to the letter n or the consonant n of English alphabets. So we cannot say na here. It's n. The sound of a should be shortened here. For English native speaker, it may sound weird, but at this point of time, you just need to memorize. It's n.
드,
So the third consonant is th. Th. So it has a similar to a sound of d, h, dh, th. So for a time being, you have to say th. You cannot say tha. You have to shorten the sound of a here. So you just need to memorize it. Th.
르,
So the next consonant is r. Sometimes it can be used as l. So there are 2 sounds, r, l. R as an R sound, L as an L sound.
무,
The next consonant is mu. Mu as an M. M with the sound of vowel A. But here in Korean, we have to omit the sound of vowel A. So it's mu.
부,
So next we have pu. Pu as an BH sound. So we have to pronounce it as pu, not pa at the moment.
스,
So up next we have consonant s. S as in sound similar to S, but we have to shorten the sound of vowel A here, so it's s.
이응,
So the next consonant is little different to others. So this has got a sound of ung. To give you an example, the ring that we wear on our finger, ring, it has a sound ring. By omitting the sound of r and I, we have left with ung. So ring, the later sound ung, it has a similar sound to that. ng, ng. And sometimes it has got no sound at all. So sometimes it is silent, sometimes it has got a sound ng. So we will get to this into more details later on.
주,
So the next consonant is ch. Ch as in similar to the English consonant J with the sound ch. So it's ch, not cha. Vowel A should be omitted here.
츠,
So the next consonant is ch. It has a sound of alphabet C and H. Ch. You have to pronounce it as ch.
크,
So the next consonant is k. It has a sound similar to a combination of K and H. KH. K. So you have to pronounce it as k at the moment.
트,
And next we have consonant th. It has a sound similar to the combination of English letter T and H. Th. So you have to pronounce it as th at the moment.
프,
So the next consonant is consonant p. It has a sound similar to PH sound. PH. You have to pronounce it as p.
흐,
So the next consonant or the last consonant of the 14 basic consonant is h. You have to pronounce it as h. It has a sound of English consonant H. H. And H as a sound h. But as I said before, the vowel A sound should be shortened here. So guys, these are the 14 basic consonants, or you can call it as 14 single consonants. So there are a total of 19 consonants, and we will talk about the 5 double consonants later on. So keeping in mind the sounds of all of these 14 consonants, and at the moment it may sound little weird, little awkward, little not easy to pronounce, but later on when we combine these consonants with the vowels, it would be way easier to pronounce or make a sound out of the letters. So for a time being, it is very essential to memorize these 14 consonants and their sounds. So for quick revision, let me read it out, all the 14 consonants for you. It's g, n, d, r, m, b, s, ng, j, ch, k, t, p, h. So please memorize these consonants, and thank you so much. See you later.